guys? It's Josh back again with another video. And what the hell is that damn noise again? But I'm here with Bravo, and we're just gonna go ahead and go riding. So let's see what we get ourselves into today. Let's see who falls first. Woo! It was riding with me. So we're just gonna go off-roading. Just get the bikes a little dirty today. Oh, you're fine. No, you're fine. That shit will last forever. For 2.5 hours. So, huh?
It's burning. Something smells like it's burning.
Oh no, it's not my shit. No, that's just the smell out there. No, it's not your shit either. Oh, we're good.
Let's double check it.
For sure. I had to change shoes so I could get muddy, so. Cause I had some nice shoes on, but now it should be good, hopefully. Let's go back towards, remember that end sign? Yeah, we gotta turn left here. Oh shit, wrong one. Wrong one. Maybe, yeah, we're good. I knew it. I've already done that. Alright guys, I think there's a puddle here. Oh my god!
And you didn't have your goggles on, did you?
There you go. Alright, now I gotta do it again. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's go that way. Do that hole again. Oh my god. It got chilly. I forgot to put my zipper up. It got a little chilly. Holy shit! Oh my god! Woo! another puddle. Guys, we got another puddle. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is fun. Yo, yeah, I forgot to tell you, you have a light. Damn, these things are dirty. You can't see shit with those on. Clean? Ooh, it's so cold. Man, guys, it's so cold, man. It's like 32 now. That's gonna be the end of this video today. Christmas Day, and we went mudding, got a little dirty. So like I said, guys, stay motivated and let's get it. I had suicide tendencies. I ain't singing for no empathy. My emotions beating dead for me. Guess my breath getting hard.